have the trim, the 96 through 8 Honda Civic. I'm showing you the clip-in block-off plate for the clock that would screw in right here, and the pocket slides in, and block-off plate. Now to install the block-off plate, you'll need to remove that clock or pocket and then take the first arm and just slide it down there till it stops, and then push in and it clips in. And to remove it, just push on the back and it pops out. So again, closer up, that arm hits the edge, and then you just push and it pops in. And to remove it, just push in the center, and it flexes in, and they'll pop right out. It does still work going from this side as well. I hope that close-up view was helpful, showing you how to install the block-off plate in your 96 through 8 Honda Civic.